Make him chase you. Use these 5 steps and the law of assumption. Now, use with caution. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. Oh, today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Make him chase you rather than you chase him. That's what this is about. So I'm going to share with you 5 steps that you need to follow in order to get him to chase you and chase you hard. So high flyers, you're going to be living in his head, literally rent free. He's going to be thinking about you around the clock. He won't be able to stop thinking about you because you are going to make yourself in demand. High flyers, by following what I'm sharing with you in this video, he's going to be wanting you. He's going to be chasing you. He's going to be needing you. He's going to be craving you. Can you feel it already? You're about to become one of those rare individuals that knows how to blend their feminine power with the law of assumption. So high flyers, by nature, masculine energy, it's designed to chase after feminine energy. I mean, you only have to look at biology to see that the masculine chases after the feminine. If you're not creating the perfect vibrational environment, which is magnetism, then you are chasing or waiting, which is even worse, which is opposite of what you want. And here's the good news. You don't need to be patient. You know, you hear people say, well, just be patient. He'll call you. He'll text you. But look at when you're in a flow state, where you are loving yourself, you're feeling good about yourself, your energy is flowing, things happen fast. Manifestation seems to happen almost instantly. As a matter of fact, if you're waiting too long, you might want to ask yourself, where am I out of alignment? So high flyers, once you choose to be in a state of flow, he won't be able to resist you. He'll be thinking about you around the clock. He'll be waiting for you to respond to his text messages. I mean, it's literally exciting when you're in a state of flow and you're manifesting that easily. So number 1, you need to believe that you have unlimited magnetism, unlimited resources to attract him or anyone. I always say that too. People don't like that. I say him or anyone you choose. And the reason I do that is if I just say him, then you are becoming obsessive with just that one person. And when you become obsessive, it's opposite of being in power. It's opposite of being in control. It's opposite of having resource. It's opposite of magnetism. Oftentimes, people are taught to believe in their limitations over their unlimited resources, their unlimited power. So what do I mean by resources? I mean magnetism. I mean beauty. I mean attractiveness. I mean intelligence. I mean sexiness. I mean it all. You have it all. Say it. I have it all. Now, whether you choose to believe it, whether you choose to use it, that's up to you. Okay, you've had some past experiences. They didn't go so well. Everybody has. There's not a person on this planet who hasn't had some bad past experiences. Don't allow your past to control your present. One of the reasons people want someone to chase them is so that they feel worthy. Oh, I feel worthy. They're chasing after me. But listen, if that's the reason, if him chasing you is going to help you feel worthy, then guess what? You're in the wrong state. You're at the wrong vibrational frequency to attract him to begin with. I mean, seriously, you need to feel worthy of him or anyone else or someone better right now. You don't wait. I feel worthy. I feel it. Oh, I feel it. You've got to feel it. You don't need anyone to prove that you are worthy. All you need is to believe it. Next, you need to assume that he wants you, that he needs you, that he craves you, that he's thinking about you more than you want, need, or crave him. Assume it, believe it, feel it. High flyers, you're using the law of assumption here. So live within the wish fulfilled. Live as if it's already happening this moment and it feels so good. Point number 2, high flyers. You're not here to prove your worthiness to anybody or anything at any time in any way. From this moment on, you're choosing to live with an abundance mentality rather than a lack mentality. In other words, abundance in the area of him chasing you is he can't stop thinking about you. He's fighting it right now, but he's going to break down any moment. And hey, you're not worried about it because you're certain of who you are, what you are, and the magnetism you have. Say this affirmation daily. I am exactly what I need to be to attract whatever or whomever I want. And again, focus on the feeling of the wish fulfilled, not the person. I know you want to focus on the person. Focus on the feeling of that person already wanting you, craving you, needing you. Focus on the feeling of being in demand. Focus on the feeling of being the one. Number 3, what does it feel like to get what you want? I love this. I use it all the time. I ask, most of the time people say, what does it feel like if I don't get what I want? And then they start feeling it. And then they attract it. And that's scary. Okay. They're focused on him not calling, him not chasing, him not giving me any attention, blah, 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 blah. You got what I'm saying? Focus on the feeling of what it feels like if you're getting everything you want. If it's going exactly the way you want it to go. What does that feel like? Hold that within you. That's the key to your manifesting. Well, number 4 is detach and do not focus on when or how. Okay. Look at the less you focus on when, the less you focus on how, the less you say nothing's happening because something's always happening. The less you do that, the sooner you're into flow. And when you're in the flow, you just let it happen. You just let it happen. It just comes to you naturally. You get exactly what you want, including him going out of his mind chasing you. Number 5 is set boundaries. Oh, this is so important. Sometimes people don't set boundaries. You've got to set boundaries. Just because he's now chasing, just because he's now showing interest, just because he's now texting you and calling you and doing all these things doesn't mean he doesn't have to earn your trust. You know what I'm talking about. Slow is fast. And the slower you go, the more he chases. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.